Hey my loves, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Indu and I make content on beauty and lifestyle. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you all this super simple 5-minute makeup look. This is perfect for someone if you have meetings to attend every single day, especially video calls, and it can be also if you're a student or whatever it is. It's just that you don't want to get late for the video call, but also you want to look a little bit more presentable. So yes, in today's video I'm gonna share with you all this super simple look. If you're interested, then please continue watching. Alright, so I'm starting off with a fresh clean face. I have nothing on my face, I have just washed my face. I am assuming that you don't have a lot of time in the morning to get ready for the video call, so I'll just quickly skip to my sunscreen. I'm not applying any kind of toner or moisturizer or serum or anything of that sorts. I'm just simply applying little bit of sunscreen because this is a must. So yes, I am using the Plum Daylight Sunscreen Gel. It is in SPF 35 PA triple plus. Now obviously if you have a little extra time, you can just go ahead and do the whole skincare routine that you usually do, but if you don't have time, you can just simply wash your face and apply your sunscreen. Now honestly, if you have skin that does not need a lot of correction to make, what you can do is simply apply the sunscreen, apply some kind of powder that has a little bit of coverage, and then just be good to go. But clearly I do have some corrections to do on my skin, so I'll just quickly apply some concealer. I'm applying Swiss Beauty concealer. It is in the shade 02 Sand Sable, and I'll just be applying little bit on the areas I want to look a little bit better. So just this much. I'm not going to be using a lot, and I'll be using my fingers to blend it out because I'm assuming that if you're getting ready for a video call or meeting in the morning, I don't think you have too much time to dampen your sponge and just dab it all over your face. To just simply using my fingers. If you don't want to use concealer, you can use some kind of BB cream or CC cream as well, or you can also use any kind of a tinted sunscreen that will also do the same thing. You just want to look a little bit more put together. So yeah, and as you can see, it hardly takes any time. I blended the concealer out in real time, so you can see that it did not take a lot of time to blend out the concealer. Now I'm gonna quickly apply a little bit of powder and set this thing out. So I'll just quickly set the areas wherever I have the concealer on, and then whatever it will be just left on the sponge, I'll just spread it all across my face. Now as you can see, I still have scars peeking through. वीडियो कॉल में वैसे भी उतना समझ में नहीं आएगा. No one's gonna zoom into your face and see. Okay, a little bit on my neck. Even though I don't have concealer on my neck, I'll just bring the powder a little bit on my neck just to look a little bit cohesive. I actually made a mistake. I was supposed to be applying a little bit of blush before applying the powder, but anyways we're gonna do that. But please make sure if you are using a lipstick or a cream product or a tint to apply as your blush, make sure that you apply it before you set your face with powders. And I'll just blend it out with my fingers itself. Now since I have already used the powder, it is getting a little bit difficult to blend out the blush, but if you do it without setting your face with the powder, it's gonna just blend out beautifully and seamlessly. Alright, so the blush is on. I have little bit of pigmentation going on my lids. So next I'm gonna just apply a little bit of mascara. You can't skip on mascara. Make sure to apply loads of mascara. Mascara में कंजूसी मत करना because you see the difference it makes, and this is just one coat of mascara. I haven't even curled my lashes. Even if you want to skip the base makeup, you can just apply loads of mascara, a little bit of tint on your cheeks, and you'll be just good to go. And trust me, no one's gonna know that you got ready in just 2-3 minutes. So I think I'm gonna go in with a second coat of mascara, because why not? One more thing that you could do to save time in the morning is decide what you're gonna wear the next morning, the night before, basically. So that way you save time thinking about what to wear, what not to wear and stuff. So that's gonna save you some time. And what you can do is you can also take out all the makeup products that you want to apply the next morning, so that way you have everything in front of your hands. You just have to pick it up, get ready and sit in front of your laptop or phone or whatever it is. Okay, so mascara is done. I'll quickly brush up my eyebrow hair. Now if you have a lot of work to do on your eyebrows, I would say that you start off with your eyebrows, because filling eyebrows takes a little longer time. So start off with your eyebrows, and then if you have time to do all these stuffs, then go ahead and invest your time in that. But if you don't have a lot of time, just start off with your eyebrows, because eyebrows can frame your face and it makes you look 10 times better. So yes. Okay, so I'm not gonna do anything to my brows. We are almost done. What I'll do is I'll use the same lipstick. By the way, this is Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. So I'm not going to be directly applying the lipstick. What I'll do is I'll take a little bit on my fingers like so, and I'll dab it. Hold on. I'll just apply it on my lips so that it looks like a my lips but better kind of a thing. Now honestly, the color of lipstick that you choose completely depends on your liking. You can just go crazy with the colors or keep it as mute as it can be. You can just apply like a nude shade or a pink, peach, red or plum or brown or whatever basically. Alright, so with that we have come to an end of the video. I know it was a very short one, but I know it was much needed as well. So with that we have come to an end of the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.